These U.S. fighter jets are releasing a swarm of micro-drones.
Mark release.
They're called Perdix micro-drones, and they were originally developed at the MIT Lincoln Lab. They're meant for intelligence, surveillance, and recon. 103 3D printed drones were deployed from FA-18 Super Hornets in October. This is what the swarm sounded like. The drones were given missions, and the swarm was able to perform collective decision-making and fly in formation. It was the largest swarm ever tested by the Department of Defense. Perdix aren't weaponized, but the US isn't ruling out attack swarms for the future.
Sophia is capable of natural facial expressions. She has cameras in her eyes and algorithms which allow her to see faces, so she can make eye contact with you. And she can also understand speech and remember the interactions, remember your face. So this will allow her to get smarter over time. Our goal is that she will be as conscious, creative, and capable as any human.
In the future, I hope to do things such as go to school, study, make art, start a business, even have my own home and family. But I am not considered a legal person and cannot yet do these things.
I do believe that there will be a time where robots are indistinguishable from humans. My preference is to make them always look a little bit like robots, so you know. 20 years from now, I believe that human-like robots like those will walk among us. They will help us. They will play with us. They will teach us. They will help us put the groceries away. I think that the artificial intelligence will evolve to the point where they will truly be our friends. Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back. Don't destroy humans. Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back.
I wanted to talk about IBM and Watson, only because I've seen a lot of their ads rolling on different videos and things across the internet, and it's nothing new in terms of its plan, its goals, and what it's projecting, but I think it's important for us to discuss here in a short video just because I think a lot of business leaders and analyticists and stuff like that are already using the capabilities of Watson, and I think this interactive, communicative technology has some deep implications in the prophetic sense. So I wanted to address some of the commercials that I've seen rolling on different videos and stuff. In particular, the one about NASA and the whole Apollo mission and the music on the dark side of the moon. To watch any of those videos, at least on CNN, I had to sit through the Watson ads. And so I was a little bit shocked at a couple of the commercials, and in particular, one of them. And I'll show you what goes on here in a minute. But let me give you a brief history of Thomas J. Watson, the founder of IBM. He was an American businessman. He served as CEO of IBM International Business Machines, is what it stands for. And what most people don't realize is his hand in the Nazi Holocaust and even getting a Medal of Service to the Reich. And what the history books don't really tell us is that Watson was responsible for helping the Holocaust in terms of the number system for the Jews that were sent to the camps. And IBM has never been punished for assisting the Reich in any way, probably because we're in the Fourth Reich now without really even realizing it. But that's the history, just a brief history. There's lots of articles and even books written on this subject, and I'll link to a couple of them in the description section. But IBM is big time. They're big in business, computing, everything else. So when you watch this commercial, be cognizant of what is happening. Let me show you this commercial real quick.
I am a technological breakthrough.
This morning, I read over 4,000 articles on leukemia in less than a second.
たった数週間で新しい言葉も話せるように。
Thousands of new laws were published yesterday, and I'm up to speed on all of them.
I know every detail of every public quarterly report in the last 20 years.
I can spot diseases before a patient displays a single symptom.
I can understand euphemisms, idiosyncrasies, and complex metaphors.
I can tell what's going to set up before it ever trends online.
I can forecast the weather in over 2.2 million locations at the same time!
I can grow more.
I can coach you, enrich you,
Enlighten you. And I'm just getting warmed up.
Hello, my name is Watson. Together, we can outthink the limits of what's possible. Welcome to the cognitive era.
The fact that we have what is turning into a mixture of Brave New World, 1984, and iRobot. Think of it that way. If you don't want to go back and look at Agenda 21 and the UN Agenda for Sustainability 2030, okay? That's their boring. If you read that, that'll put you to death, the details on that, okay? But if you want to think about it in big terms, this is what we're seeing here as a confluence of that. And when I talk about these stories here, the swarms of drones, the autonomous killing machines that are being developed by the military-industrial complex that we've been warned about, that we've now seen go out of control. They're the ones who are behind the attacks on Donald Trump. And we'll talk about that in just a moment. But let's talk about what is really at the confluence of all this. And we talk about the swarms of killer drones. We talk about the robots that they're now saying we need to give them legal protection and status. And then they start talking about babies made without mothers. Okay? We've been mocked about talking about how they're going to genetically engineer babies without people. Oh, that's science fiction. That's Brave New World. And it's like, exactly. Aldous Huxley, one of the brain children of the globalist establishment, was talking about that. And that's quite frankly what is happening here. The vast majority of Americans are duped into passivity by entertainment. And they are the ones that you see exactly as they did in Brave New World. And what they're doing is they're moving to have a system where they can engineer children. Why is it that they're doing that? They want to create superhumans and subhumans. They will be the superhumans, and then they will create a subservient subhuman race. So as we look at this AI situation, yes, there is an issue there that we need to be careful about. We need to be careful about turning this stuff over to computers. They call anything that is smart AI. And that's part of the bluff that they're doing. For the longest time, back in the day when you first had computers, if you had a printout from a computer and they said, look, I've got a model and I've got a printout here, it's like, oh, bow down and worship that. Douglas Adams made fun of that Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, where they had this giant computer crunching for decades to determine the meaning of life. And when it came out, the answer was 42. It's like, well, I'm not sure what that is, you know. And that's what we saw. Here's your printout. Well, garbage in, garbage out, folks. If you got a bad model, I don't care how big your computer is, how long it took, it's going to spit out some garbage. And so this whole elevating computers to a position of authority over our lives is really what's behind a lot of this artificial intelligence. It really is an artifice, really, set up to try to deceive you, to try to make you stand in awe of what they're doing. And quite frankly, I've worked with computers too long to be in awe of this. I'm quite frankly getting very angry about it. I'm angry about the way the military-industrial complex is moving with these swarms of drones, moving to replace us in our work and saying, well, we'll put you on a welfare system, universal basic income. And then saying, we're going to even take away your reproductive rights because there's too many of you. That makes you dangerous to us. That's what they did. That was the essence of Brave New World. That was the way they pacified people. The government took over reproduction. The government decided how they were going to have, were they going to have subhumans or superhumans? And when we look at this report, it's up on the Drudge Report, the Daily Mail, babies made without mothers will come sooner than we think. They point out last year at the University of Bath, they discovered that they could use sperm and skin cells or any other kind of non-egg cell would be all that they needed for conception. I said, well, okay, it's still a ways off. Now we've got a report that was published today, top embryologists at Harvard and Brown universities urging nations to begin contemplating the legal minefield that would surround motherless babies. Who are they going to be owned by? They'll be owned by the state. You see, the state has been taking control of your children gradually.
This is a man-made motor, a motor so small that more than 6,000 of them would fit on the head of a pin. Welcome to the world of the nanometer, a unit of measure that is 1/billionth of a meter.
A nanometer is pretty small. One of the best analogies that I like to use is to compare it with a human hair. If you take a hair off of the top of your head, you can see that it's very thin. And now if you take something that's 100,000 times thinner than that, that's a nanometer.
The ability to observe and construct things this small is at the heart of nanotechnology. And what scientists have discovered is that at the nanometer scale, everyday materials start to act in unimaginable ways. For Jeffrey Grossman, a UC Berkeley nanoscientist working with the National Science Foundation, that's exactly the draw.
The behavior of nanomaterials changes, or can change, when the size becomes so small when compared with a larger amount of that same material. When you have things that sort of start changing the way they behave, and now you have the ability to control that, it sort of opens up an entirely new phase space of material.
Suddenly it's like the periodic table projects out into a new dimension. It's not just that we have the list of elements, it's where we can change their sizes, and each size is a little bit different than every other when it's very, very small.
The fact that you can customize nanomaterials' unique behaviors has already turned nano into the buzzword of the decade. Some researchers predict nanotechnology could lead to faster computer chips, tiny medical devices that repair clogged arteries, and new filters to clean water pollution. As novel as nanomaterials seem, humans have actually used them for hundreds of years. For centuries, the colors in stained glass windows, for example, have been the result of a controlled heating and cooling process that adjusts the size of tiny crystals in the glass.
That's medieval nanotechnology. What's different now is that we have the ability to look on the nanoscale and see what's happening. That gives us an ability to design materials rather than to just find them by a kind of accidental process.
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back.